Hi class, this week we are looking at chapters 11, 12, and 13. Chapter 11 is on consumers and situation. Chapter 12 is about decision making as it applies to need recognition and searching. And then chapter 13 is about decision making about the evaluation and choice. So when we're looking at chapter 11, we're trying to understand how value varies with different situations. We want to look at the different ways that time affects consumer behavior. We want to analyze shopping as a consumer activity using different categories of shopping activities. We also want to look at the concepts of unplanned, impulse, and compulsive consumer behavior. We'll also talk about the fact that does atmosphere create consumer value. When we're talking about chapter 12, we start looking at decision making. And the first two steps of decision making are need recognition and search. So the beginning of this chapter, we'll talk about the consumer decision making process and all the different steps. The first step is need recognition. If you don't know that you have a need, then you're not going to start looking for ways to satisfy that need. So need recognition is first, then we'll look at searching. So once you know you have a need, then you start to find different information about products that could satisfy that need. So that's chapter 12. Chapter 13 goes more into the decision-making process. So the next two steps are evaluate alternatives and then making a choice. So you know you have a need, you've searched for some solutions, then you're going to evaluate all of those solutions and try to narrow it down as best you can. And then you'll make a choice. So then you'll come to your final conclusion about what is the best decision for you to satisfy that need. So this week, again, 3 chapters, 11, 12, and 13. So we get into decision making and the different steps in it. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help, and have a great week.